How we doing, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a cheap DIY firewood rack. I know I showed you guys the nice one that I'm going to make. Still going to make it, a couple months, but we're right in the middle of our busy season, and I just need to get something out on the road real quick that I can take down in a couple months. So you also see we got the Wolf Ridge bagging station. We've been bagging like crazy. And right now we've got a tote full of bags right now. So on top of that, these are the pallets that I'm going to use to build our firewood rack real quick. So let's get cutting. All right, so the blocks we're cutting now these are just going to be the legs that hold up the pallets on the bottom. I got a single 4x4 by 8 foot. You could get technically 6 pieces at 16 out of it, but then you're not factoring in the kerf of the blade, so we're going 15, so they're all even. All right, so I'm going to cut these 8 foot 2x4s to 90 inches. Okay, and then this is 40, so we can make this 36. -3, so we'll cut 3. Sorry, burping up coffee. So we're going to cut 3 at 33. Go between, and from there I can start putting that together. That can go in the middle. I just gotta remember what that measurement was, where my writing utensil went. Son of a gun. There. $90. 45. 45 on that side. Alright, now we need our legs, which are gonna be these. We're just going to do something like that. Screw them in. Like I said, this only has to hold for 2 months. And then we'll make the other ones. And I'll probably use more screws on this, but that box looks a little limited. So we'll just put enough in it for right now to get this thing put together. Alright, flip it over. And this is what the pallets are going to sit on. Let's go get a pallet or two. So now, should probably figure out the spacing I should have on each side. I got about 2 inches there, and a little under 2 inches there. Now, how to get screws in there. I should have brought my nail gun with me. Split that one. Perfect. So that's the basic floor of this. Next we're going to stack some pallets vertically on the side and start creating our, I guess, columns for the firewood bags. I don't know that I'm going to bother with making a spot for loose firewood with this one. Oh yeah, I forgot what I came out here for. Pallets. Alright, I need to do something like that, so maybe I'll just toenail some screws down in. And then maybe take some bracing across the back. Yeah, that'll probably work. Alright, so we'll do that one. Let's get another pallet. Now I should probably figure out how big these spaces should actually have to be. I was planning on just 2 more in here. 1, 2, That would leave 4 spots, but just eyeballing it, I think I could do 3 and leave 5 bunks in there. Let's grab a bag and see how it falls. It's about 16. So I really wish I didn't leave my pen up front. I got some more pallets up there that are clean-ish. Oh, I see a problem right there. That one pallet might not work. Do that. All right, that'll work. I gotta change out that pallet. Yep. That should work. Maybe what I should do is run a stringer across the top to keep everything somewhat stable. I got 2 of those left. Cut them both at 90. I don't have the roofing with me anyways today, so this is gonna get like 90% done. 90. And I gotta wait for the pay boxes to come in. They shipped, but they aren't here yet. And I gotta get a video guys out for you Sunday. I'm just making it up as I go. I think there's some consistency issues in the pallet. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not bothering me. Not bothering me one bit. It's really bothering me. Oh, I think I know where I went wrong. It wasn't 90. It's okay. Just gotta last a couple months. Just keep telling yourself that. And are we gonna do pallets on? Yes, we're gonna do pallets on top again. All right, now we're just gonna throw a simple cross brace up on the back, keep it from racking so much. Oh yeah, that sturdied it right up. The other thing I did is I got some of these cut to give this a little pitch on here. I'll have one of the guys grab some corrugated metal at some point this week. We'll throw a little tin roof up over it. And then we'll be able to, after we get the pay box, we'll be able to throw it up. All right, everyone. Well, that's the wood rack for now. I'll probably come in later this week and just nail the ever-loving bejesus out of this. But for all practical rights and purposes, it's done. When the pay box comes in, we'll mount it probably right here, you know, put a little, you know, side roof over it. We just got to throw some tin over the top and fill her up. We're supposed to get a ton of snow over the next 2 days, so it kind of works out anyways because we'll clear all the snow where this is going to go out front. And sometime this week we'll have the rest of it. So by next week we should have this thing out and selling wood. And I'll give you guys updates on how much we've sold. I just put ads up on Facebook Marketplace today for people to come into our showroom and buy some, and I've already sold 3 bags of firewood. We're doing the 1 cubic foot bags. I'm doing 7 per bag or 20 for 3. And we've sold 3 bags so far. So that'll do it for today, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.